Good day. Today is December 3rd, 2022. That's 12/3/2022. You'll have to excuse me. I'm recording this on my new phone because I did a 45-minute video yesterday about this. And this is going to be a public legal announcement for those that you are more from a lawful standpoint. It's a public or legal notice, like what used to put in the legal section in the newspaper. You posted it for 3 days, and that was supposed to make a standing, a recording for officials and the public. Anyway, like I was saying, something happened to my whole camera video processing on the computer, and whether that's a coincidence with my old phone. Whenever you hit to make a call, the whole screen went blank. And a little bit before that, my bank had the post office addressed for me deleted from their files. So I was having trouble accessing my account. Anyway, this is kind of what started all this, but the reason I'm making this is because of yesterday and Thursday, there was a series of announcements or notices over the radio. One was Pelosi finally announcing what had happened to the budget, that we had an extension on the U.S. Incorporated budget at the end of September, and that was for 2 weeks, and then I never heard anything. So Pelosi, the Wicked Witch of the West, and formerly Wicked Witch of the East, because I understand that's where her father was kind of a mafiosa in Baltimore. So just much like the Godfather movie, they realized the real money was in government. Yes. So anyway, she said that the budget was extended, kicked down the road. She didn't say kick down the road, but for the next year, because we need government. Oh, do we need government? From her point of view, we need parasites to enlarge her bank account and all the other bureaucrats in the deep state. Another of the local school board of governors, for the budget, there was a 17% increase, and there's a limit that you can't bump the school budget up over without going through certain administrative procedures. So they just nixed that and said that they're going to eliminate the cap, the spending cap, and so your taxes for the school local board, that's the subcontractor county of PINAL your taxes are going to be going up. And it's probably much similar to many of the other incorporated counties across this land. On a state of Arizona level, the officials, the authorities, were going to arrest and charge, and I understand they're still going to charge him, some of the county officials that were dragging their feet okaying this past election. And they said that they were going to fine him or arrest him, or a combination of both, if they didn't certify the election as just and proper. So yesterday, I understand, that's what these foot draggers did. They said, oh, we don't want to give up our job, our position as a parasite, so they voted to go along with the election results. And then the Biden administration, I can't even understand what they're doing with the railway strike. It's I'm pretty good at understanding some of this stuff, but I'm confused. Their excuse is that they're going to get in there and regulate some more so that we don't have a breakdown in the transportation grid. But it seems that's what is happening. So I don't know. There was that. And then the figures came out for the job creations, and they were more than what was expected. Of course, these are government job figures, so, you got to take that with a grain of salt, but that's what's official. That supports the Federal Reserve Acts. The private Federal Reserve Board of Governors raising interest rates because the economy's heating up too much and mustn't have that. So there's that. And then the big one, of course, is Pelosi announcing that the budget is just going to go on for another year. So I'm going to, under the comment or under the written part of this, I'm going to post the Affidavit of Default, and that's for debt collectors, Subcontractors Incorporated under Washington, D.C. Inc., which is an arm of the Inner City of London Inc. And you understand all the state of and the county of, these are all incorporated under the Washington, D.C. arm, and the bigger arm, the Inner City of London. And this default goes into effect on October 14th. And my 45-minute video went into more detail on this, which I probably can't do on this. Well, I think it just quit. Maybe you can't go over. Anyway, happy trails.